Hello, all. Today we are going to do the activity number 7 from AI, Pictoblocks, and Python coding bootcamp that is conducted by STempedia. Okay, so let's get started. So here in this activity, what we are going to do actually, this activity name is AI Object Seeker. In this, the objects, whatever objects are shown in a picture, that objects will be detected and the names will be shown on to you on the screen. So let's see it over here. The first thing is that open the Python coding interface. In that now we have to get the sprite. So I'm going to take a sprite as a square box. Click on the choose sprite. Here click on the square box. So this is my sprite. Okay, so why I'm taking the square box? Because this square box will be shown on that particular image, the objects in that image, and then it is going to locate that object and it is going to show us the text regarding it. Now let's choose a backdrop. So upload a backdrop. So here, so I have downloaded some of the backdrops that we can upload it. So just wait. Okay. So here is one my backdrop so that I'm going to use it. So yes, now resize this backdrop. Just select it and resize as per our stage. Okay, so this backdrop I have resized it. Then come to the Python interface. Now our backdrop and the square box is ready. So now, so this is my code. Okay, so my sprite is square box. Now here I'm going to import the time module so that I can put the delay or sleep methods from the time class. Now here we are going to call object detection extension for detecting the objects present in an image, and I am assigning that is to the variable obj. Now here I'm going to stamp on it. So this square box should be stamped on the particular object so that we can identify that particular object. So call the pen extension and assign it to the pen variable. Now here every time whenever I'm stamping on any of the object, so it should get clear, the previous occurrences of that square boxes should get cleared. So for that we have to clear the screen, so that is pen.clear function is called. Now here set threshold. So this set threshold function, it gives us the accuracy or confidence level of the image which is displayed on the stage. So here we have put the accuracy level to zero point 0.5. Now here whatever object is put, whatever picture, whatever image we have put on the stage, that needs to be analyzed so that we can detect the object. So here analyze stage function is used. So it analyzes the image on the stage, and then we don't want the enable box. Here we are using our own square box sprite, so we have to disable the disable box. So object dot disable box function is used. Now here whatever objects are there in the images, suppose two three, here two objects, main two objects are seen over here. So for that we have to use a for loop. So for loop, for I means number of objects, range is given. Here is the initial and here is the final count. Initial, it will start from one count, and the here object dot count function will give us the count of the objects present in that image. So count plus one, as we are starting with one, we have to use it as count plus one. So here my sprite position, my sprite is here square box. That position should be set on that particular object. You can see over here. So that object, so for that I want the sprite position should be set as object's x position. If suppose this is the first object, I is for the number for the first object. So object dot x means that first object's position, x position, will be the sprite's x position. Object's y position, first object's y position will be the sprite's y position, and then our sprite should resize according to the width of that particular object. So for that we are using sprite dot set size object dot width and the first object. Now the sprite has to say us the name of that object. So here we are going to call out the function that is class name. So here to which class it belongs to, that particular object. So for that, this is the person, suppose this is the car, so these are the classes. So we have to call out the class name function over here, then pen dot stamp, and it is going to stamp on that particular object, and it is going to wait for 2 seconds. Enough. So here wherever my objects, wherever I have I will be uploading that image, in that image it is going to detect that object, and it is going to show us the name of that particular object. Let's run. Let's see the result. So wait till the models are being loaded. Yes, the models are loaded successfully. So let's check. Yes, it is detecting the bicycle first, then the person, and then the car. Yes. Then there also one bicycle is there, that also it is detecting. Good. Our program is working. Fine. Thank you.